Tired of vanilla Minecraft? Let's unlock a universe of custom mods with the powerful and lightweight Fabric Loader. First things first, head over to the official Fabric website you'll want to find and click on the download link for the universal installer. This little program will get everything set up for us. Once the installer finished downloading, open it up. You'll see a few options. Make sure you select the Client tab, as we're installing this for playing the game. Then choose the Minecraft version you want to play with mods. You can also create a new Minecraft profile specifically for Fabric here, which is highly recommended to keep things organized. With your version and profile selected, simply click that big install button. The installer will do all the heavy lifting, downloading and setting up the necessary files for Fabric to work. Now, open up your Minecraft launcher. You should see the new profile you just created for Fabric. Go ahead and select it. This tells Minecraft to load using the Fabric mod loader. Hit that play button and let Minecraft launch. You'll know it's working correctly when you see the Fabric version number displayed on the main menu, usually in the bottom left corner. To add your awesome new mods, we need to find the mods folder first. Open your Minecraft game folder. The easiest way to do this is by clicking on the Resource Packs button in the main menu, then clicking Open Pack Folder. This will take you to your Minecraft folder. From here, you'll need to locate and open the mods folder. If you don't see a mods folder, don't worry. You can simply create a new folder and name it Mods. Now, take any Fabric compatible mods you've downloaded YEuro. These usually come as jar files YEuro, and drag and drop them directly into this mods folder. We're almost done. Restart your Minecraft game with the Fabric profile selected. Most mods are plug and play, but some might introduce new menu options or require configuration. You'll know they're loaded correctly when you see them appear in game, or if the mod provides it through an in-game mod menu. And there you have it. Step into a world of endless possibilities by installing Fabric mods. Get ready to transform your Minecraft experience with new features, challenges, and so much more.